Now's my chance. He didn't even notice.
Huh? Ah, where'd my candy go?
I'll just hide in my room. Ow! Ow! I stepped on a Lego! Ooh, sorry, Lily.
Hey, watch where you're going!
I didn't even see them there. Oh! I'm gonna need your guys' help. Okay. What should I wear? No. Wow, I'm really good. All right, bye. Time to go to the party. I guess I can dance by myself. It's so hot in here. That's better, but it's still stuffy in here. Fresh air. Oh, my homework! Maybe these paper clips will help. Okay, back to my homework. Oh no, the fan's on again! I guess I just have to deal with the heat. Don't forget about it! Where's my phone? I'm right here! Whoa! Huh, I wonder what video Crafty Hack uploaded.
Hey!
That's so funny! Ooh, can I have some? Ooh! You got Cheetos all over me! Ugh, my phone's all dirty. Let me clean it up.
Don't worry, phone, I'll take care of you.
Oh, thanks! All better.
Oh, I forgot my ticket to meet up. Here. See ya.
Oh no! Oh, my phone! I need to dry it fast.
Don't worry, I got you.
It still works. Okay, let's see. Whoop, power on. Time to get some studying done. But first, you can't study on an empty stomach. Alright, I'm ready to study. Oh, it melted! Ooh, I got chocolate all over me. Time to clean up.
Oh, that's nothing.
Alright, don't smear it more. All clean.
No, Lily! Why would you throw me away like that, Lily?
Oh, the table's unstable. Oh, I know what to do. Perfect. mystery.
What other objects would you guys like to see in our next video? Comment down below. You have 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, done. Thank you.
Here's your allowance. Clean up first. Let me know when you're done.
I'm never gonna be able to save enough money for the PS5. Well, I guess I better get started. Make sure to get the corner over there.
I got it.
Reach!
Whoa.
I should probably get that cobweb over there. Sorry. Let's get you cleaned up.
Oh, thanks.
Now it's time to vacuum. Make sure you get all the crumbs.
I got it.
Yeah, you got it all. Good job.
Yeah. How's it going?
I just finished.
Great.
Huh? Coins?
See ya.
Dad. Do you guys like our video? Hit the thumbs up button down below. I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, done. Now back to the video. How am I gonna get more money? There must be loose change sitting around. Aha! Yeah, let's keep looking. Yeah! Woohoo! Time to fill my piggy bank! Woo! Yeah! So, how much money do I have?
According to my calculations, $4.95.
That's it! Why does it feel light all of a sudden? Man, my money! Piggy bank, you're supposed to hold my money, not drop it! Sorry! We're gonna set a trap for Kevin. While we wait, do you guys like pranks? Let us know down in the comments. I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, done! Thank you. Now let's get back to waiting. First, the bait. Now the trap. I just need to toss them on the ground. Last step, turn off the lights. Now we just wait for Kevin.
This is the last place I need to check for the candy. Oh, I can't see anything. Ow! 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 Ow!
Gotcha!
I'll get you next time.
Yeah. Thanks, guys.
No problem.
Hi, everyone. Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.